Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off flight mode on airplane mode in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Our flight mode is turned on. We have little plane here. To turn this mode off, we have to swipe from the top, and here we have our option. Flight mode is on. Let's tap it once. Flight mode is off. Our airplane vanished, and we have our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. To do it through the settings menu, we have to go to settings, then to connections. Our flight mode is here. Now it's enabled. To turn it off, we simply need to tap this little checkbox here once, and our flight mode is disabled. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.